I'm Dr. ZakirNaik, and I would like to greet all the brothers and sisters in Malaysia as well as the neighboring countries. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I would like to inform you about the upcoming Perlis International Sunnah Convention 2025, which is going to be held on the 24th, 25th and 26th of January, Friday, Saturday and Sunday from 8:45 a.m. to 9 p.m. at Diwan 2020, Kangar, Perlis. The admission is free without any entry charges. And people of all faith are welcome. And I would like to inform you that inshallah, this is going to be the largest English Islamic conference ever held in the history of Malaysia, where 17 international English Islamic speakers, dais and mashayikh from 10 different countries will be participating in it. And it's a golden opportunity for all the brothers and sisters in Malaysia and the neighboring countries to attend this conference. And there's an additional bonus, that is on the 27th of January 2025, on Monday, there's going to be an additional 1 day exclusively for the ladies, where 5 international lady speakers who are wives of the mashayikhs would be delivering talks exclusively for women. I would request all the brothers and sisters to be there. And inshallah, I will be the first speaker who will be giving a talk. So inshallah, I would want all of you to be there for my talk at 8:45 a.m. in the morning on Friday, 24th January 2025. Inshallah, waiting to see all of you there. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.